Wagwan bad people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one we have Malie and a defense squash the 6 boss name, plus we also have a member of the 6 camp forward out and attack a bag of things. Viewers and subscribers will also have Popcaan take over the streets of Guadeloupe. So this is an update that you do not want to miss. Big up on yourself, and watch your man, remember leave a subscribe and leave a like if you're new to the channel. So enough said, so make we jump right into it.
Squash gonna jail, the ganja say him not go come back. Enough boy me think real ganga shake and go turn rat. Feds get information pon the J.O. ya think chat. Bill talk with gal on a sprat. Informer fi get gunshot. Post on a fake dog. None of them never real don't it. Ganga tell lie pon the J dog. Farmer go dead like straight dog. Enough of them a chat on me ear back. But 6 can broke queen me back. Millions a push out account and stay so. Benjamin Franklin Pone and Shearer and stay so.
So viewers and subscribers, me hope you know listen to the words from the G, because I be an info in my drop right there, so. You might make you know say yo there's an informer in the 6 camp. And I inform pan Squash man, make Squash go to jail. Viewers and subscribers, it seems like them know who. So I be things that go on in the 6 camp. You see me? Yeah man, Squash man get sell out by him owner friends them that he thought was friends. Viewers and subscribers, I be an info drop, no joke. The G make you know a bag of things, I'm hope you know listen. Malie dan also a big up Squash man on stage, and him make them know say Squash man soon touch back a road. So viewers and subs, pre-war go on.
From all the I see some man go on like them want this off 5-6. Pussy member 6 the whole I wanna used to say. Una come with all sort a different number. Look a boy. Show 6 bars there G and I see everybody a switch. But 6 bars soon forward a bum buckler road. And I bump somehow that go bumps in a real life. So watch ya. Play the bum buckler song ya. I want to some drum more. This is some 6 and 9 right now. 36 bars. Sucking on mama.
So Malie dan I say, through 6 bars there jail, him see the whole of them a switch. Viewers and subscribers, Malie dan a call out the traitors them were there in camp. Yeah man, I be things are going over in the 6 camp, and Malie dan I make the people them know straight, so them can't diss the 6 camp. No joke. Him also make you know say yo, Squash man soon touch back road. No joke. So big up to Malie dan. When you don't know say Malie dan always a big up Squash man no matter where him go. Him always a rep for 6 camp. Viewers and subscribers, Byron Messia also made a post to his IG. Check this out. So the post says, my brother, one of the realest niggas me know upon earth. Freedom Street just know. And you can clearly see them emojis that Byron Messia use. Yeah man, big up Byron Messia them and big up Squash man. Freedom is a must, no joke.
In I studio with Govy, whatever. Me never diss me yet. You know me say yo, so why you never say yo, me could collab? Why you never say yo, me could do a feature? You give everybody a fucking remix. You use my style and want to portray it as a fair one, bro. A pussy style that, bro. You know me. And I like say you don't know me, bad man. You know me, bro. You never. That's like me. That I like me and say, yo, kick out. Like I'm my fucking style, bro. And I give Popcaan him credit, brother. What kind of fuck with that, bro? You're a young youth, brother. You know better, bro. You're a young youth, bro. Do your music, bro. Find your own identity, bro. Ramputo bars, then I'm a fucking bio them, the 2 of them since 2020.
Ramputo, no nyamputo. No. She fuck Gozo, she fuck me too. What? She want be wife, she not.
Yo, son. What them know about the puto?
Ramputo, when I nyamputo, if it rain, can wrong puto.
So Sonny Boy I call out Ayetian for the style that Ayetian recently used, Ramputo. Viewers and subscribers, the G I call out Ayetian, and you don't know how the man them stay when they created a style and somebody else start to use it and don't give them credit. So just leave a take down below. So you don't know how the unruly boss get to work already. Yeah man, him and him friend them are atop the streets of Guadeloupe. Yeah man, the G, them a ride out be a bike. No joke. Viewers and subscribers, check this out.
Next time I right side, I want to go for the Yo, fuck! Where this man?
So big up to the viewers and subs who reach this far. Remember, leave a subscribe and leave a like if you're new to the channel. You see me? Big up on yourself and welcome to the family. And as always, catch you in another one.